Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question which is related to FSC Part 2 Exercise 2.6. Y is equal to x square ln of square root of x. Find the dy over dx. dy over dx, it means differentiate with respect to x. Because x is independent, dy over dx is equal to x square ln of. Students, here x square root means the power of 1 by 2. So first and all, convert into ln of x raised to power 1 by 2. And you know about the law of logarithm. Law of logarithm means the third law of logarithm, the power becomes multiple. So it means x square power, it becomes in start, it become a multiple 1 by 2 ln of x. So 1 by 2 take common, it is a constant as a scalar number. So when we differentiate 1 by 2, it becomes in here 1 by 2 dy over dx x square ln of x. Here student, okay, so differentiate this. This is two terms in a form of product. So we use the product law. By using product law, so we can find the product rule. Product rule you already study, I discussed in previous lecture. First term as it is second term derivative plus second term as it is first derivative. According to rule, x square as it is and derivative of ln of x plus ln of x as it is and derivative of x square. X square as it is, ln of x means 1 over x. Ln of x as it is derivative of x square. X square means 2 becomes multiple. This one. So student, 1 by 2 is a multiple form. It's applied to here and then final result will be x square x, it cancel with each other and 2 divide. So final result x over 2 plus this 2 divided by this and this ln of x two cancel and the final result is x over 2 cancel and then x into ln of x. Here student, This is our final result of this important question. X divided by 2 plus x into ln of x. Okay, I hope so you understand this question, this important question. If you like this lecture, so please like. Thank you for watching. Take care.